You're bidding on a KERO World KW-24 kerosene space heater. This came out of a closed plant. It's got kerosene in it. If we ship it, it's got to be, we'll have to empty the tank because it's a full tank. But if you want to pick it up, you can have the kerosene. It came from a closed plant. It was represented as working. We're not going to test it. We're going to sell it as is. It's dusty. We just sprayed it with Windex and wiped it, but you can see it'll clean up nice. It comes with these 4 wick kits. These are probably, I think they're about $25 a piece. This is what it is. We're selling it as is, but it was said to work. We're not going to test it, so that's why we're calling it as is, because we don't know that much about it, although it's fairly easy to use. But this is what it is. Good luck bidding.